Let's fix a common grammar mistake ESL learners make with the verb did and didn't. Let's look at some examples I have here on the board. So remember, when we use did, the verb is already in the past, so the next verb stays in the base form. So did is the past tense of do. And the base form means we don't change the verb. We don't touch it. We don't do anything to it. Let's look at the examples. The first one, I did ate. So according to the grammar rule, did is already in the past. That's how we know we're in the past, because did is the past tense of do. The next verb has to stay in the base form. Ate should not be in the past tense. We leave it in the base form, which is eat. Ate is past, eat is the base form. So it's correct now to say, I did eat. Next one, also didn't. Didn't is already in the past tense. The next verb must stay in the base form. Went? No. What is the base form of went? It comes from go. Now it's correct. I didn't go. Next one, I didn't saw her. Same thing. Didn't is already in the past tense. The next verb, saw, comes from what verb? What's the base form of saw? See. So now it's correct to say, I didn't see her. The last one, I didn't cooked. Did, already in the past. Do we need the past tense of cook, which is cooked? No, we don't need the ed because the did is already in the past. So now it's correct to say, I did cook. So hopefully you will no longer make this common grammar mistake. If you want step-by-step grammar practice, watch my 40 simple grammar lessons playlist. I'll link it down below. See you in the next video.